is our white
From
rice.
Kingston to London,
White
I'm
basmati
taking
rice.
control.
So as
With
you can see,
spatulas flashing and pots all alive. My kitchen's where
Are you ready
passion
for fried
comes to
fish?
life. See this hot kitchen where flavors dance. Lying hearty cooking, taking my
we have
chance. Head
our
tied up,
vegetable stew.
ready to show how West Indian
No guys,
vibes
but
makes everything flow.
this tastes amazing. It's no joke.
Mixing cultures with laughter and style. Every dish tells a
So yeah, man,
story.
that is it, man.
My laughter,
So
mine.
finish.
From jerk
cooking process.
seasoning to English cream tea. My kitchen's where everyone comes to be free. So this hot kitchen where flavors dance.
I'm showing you what's going on in
Lion
the
hearty
kitchen.
cooking,
The white rice over here.
taking my chance.
Oh, curry.
Hair tied up, ready to show how West
So
Indian
that is it, guys.
makes everything flow.
It has been a pleasure.
Strong like Scotch, bun and sweet like
It has been a
cane.
pleasure making
Creating magic, that's
this
my
video, guys,
game.
for
With
you
British
guys.
charm and island
So I
flair,
hope you guys enjoy
serving
watching
up
it.
joy beyond
So, yeah, man.
compare. In this kitchen, love's the
gonna say
key.
thanks for watching
Cooking
in
up
advance.
memories, wild and free. From Jamaica to UK, this is my art. Service hot
To all
kitchen,
of you
straight
guys out
from
there
the
who's watching the videos
heart.
and sharing the videos.
As we said, stick and stay.
So stick and
We
stay
outside,
for more videos like this.
fully active.
And enjoy some food. So peace out until then, guys. Catch you in another one.
Let's go.
That is it, man.
All you wonderful people, welcome in and stick and stay. Let us show you the way. From Kingston to London.
Hi guys, in case you're wondering, you are watching Savage Kitchen TV. So today we'll be doing some curry veggie trunks along with some basmati white rice, along with some fried fish. Yeah, man. So stick and stay in my kitchen with it. Alright, we're gonna get little curry in here, guys, like so. Let's sprinkle a little curry in there. Yeah, now we're gonna get it a good stuff. Smells amazing. Over here, guys, we have some pumpkin that we already prepped up, so we're gonna get them in there as well. And we're gonna give this a good stir. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're gonna get the coconut milk in. And now we're gonna have our veggie chunks in like so. Alright guys, we're gonna get some little rolled pony, some little spinners. We're gonna get some little spinners in this, stew. Like this. And these made from flour, guys. Right?
Hello, all you wonderful people. Welcome in and stick and stay. Let us show you the way. Fully active. Spice and fire in my soul. From Kingston to London, I'm taking control. With spatulas flashing and pots all alive. My kitchen's where passion comes to life. See this hot kitchen where flavors dance. Lying hearty cooking, taking my chance. Hair tied up, ready to show how West Indian vibes makes everything flow. Mixing cultures with laughter and style. Every dish tells a story, mile after mile. From jerk
I'm going with
seasoning
some butter.
to English cream
Like so.
tea. My kitchen's where everyone comes to be free. So this hot kitchen where flavors dance. Lion hearty cooking, taking my chance. Hair tied up, ready to show.
I'm gonna put some
how West
cheddar
Indian
carrots in there as well,
makes
guys.
everything flow.
Sprinkle. Get it all in.
Strong like Scotch bonnet, sweet like cane, creating magic, that's my game. With British charm and
Now we're
island
gonna mix up
flair,
the thing.
serving
Give
up
it a
joy
good
beyond
mix.
compare. In this
that
kitchen,
smells so
love's
good.
the key, cooking up memories, wild and free. From Jamaica to UK, this is my art. So this hot kitchen, straight from the heart. As we said, stick and stay, we outside, fully
Now we're
active.
gonna get some hot chili pepper in there. Just scotch bonnet if you like.
To the boss.
If you don't like, you don't have to add. Oh yes. Oh yes. So we're gonna leave this. We go and simmer. Alright guys, I'm gonna check in on our stew. Oh, smells so good. Smells amazing. Smell. Oh guys, the aroma coming from this. Look at this. Curry veggie stew. And we have some pumpkin, some chili carrot, and we have some spinners in there.
Hello, all you
that is
wonderful
it, man.
people. Welcome in and stick and stay. Let us show you the way. Fully active. Spice
try.
and fire in my soul.
Add it too.
From Kingston to
Oh.
London, I'm taking control. With spatulas flashing and pots all
So-
alive. My kitchen's where passion comes to life.
I put a little spice in there, guys. I can feel that at the back of my throat. Yeah. Ah. So that give it a different dimension, you know what I mean? Take it to a different level. You have to know if you see the thing. And over here we have a little basmati rice. So, that is that. So stick and stay. So yeah, right about now we want to big up our viewers and our subscribers, yeah, man, and our members. So we want to say big up to you all, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Yeah, man. So, what I want to say, guys, we have finished the cooking process, and right about now we're gonna jump back in the kitchen and show you what's going on. So stick and stay, yeah, man, around here in my kitchen today.
Strong like Scotch, but it's sweet like cane. Creating magic, that's my game. With British charm and island flair, serving up joy beyond compare.